Hello guys, welcome back to Kamino Finance. Kamino Finance is obviously probably the biggest project on Solana, and it's only growing. And today we're gonna talk about the most annoying thing so far I found with it. I will tell you what is it and how to deal with it. The road to 10 billion, extremely important. They are pushing very hard, and we can basically go with them and win together, let's say, through obviously investing, continuing. And also the Kamino season 2 is up and started season 3, so don't forget to claim your points. I'm claiming mine in a second and also staking them. Unfortunately, I had different wallet which was compromised for season 1, and now I just started sort of from season 2, but not too much, but I'm gonna keep adding. So first thing, what do I say about the most annoying thing in Kamino is this APY changing. In my last video I did the multiply strategy for JLP, which was a very good strategy, and it literally took 10 days or 8 days from a high of 190 APY. It just simply sank to like 40. So the first day I deposited there was like straight away I made like 80 or 90 cents in the same day profit from only $73, and now it's sank. Obviously the APY sank, so unfortunately I'm going to remove that today and put it in some other place. I'm gonna show in a second, but you know, it should go much better. That's the most annoying thing, is this changing APY. You have to stay on top. You have to basically manage your money in more active way, where you check it every day or every couple days. If it stops making money, withdraw it. I'll do it in a second here. Withdraw it and then put it in something else, some other strategy. I'm gonna put today in liquidity to show you how to do it, but just stay on top of those APYs. They change a lot. They are a very good way to make money, but obviously it's a constant checking and making sure you are making the most out of it. Obviously the whole crypto is down now, so it affects it also when it's a bit full. The vault obviously as well, it's dividing for more people the same money, so you get less obviously APY. And now if the crypto is down, less interest, less transactions, so obviously less APY as well. So that's all combining into one place. So stay patient, don't sell your Solanas, your Jupiters just yet. I think we're going to have a nice run. So obviously Kamino on the road to 10 billion. They introduced new lending protocol, governance, grants. They want to build a huge platform. They have obviously amazing network of Solana already. The project is really nice, as you can see, very clear what you can do, what is available, and they just keep on pushing to 10 billion. So wink wink, a secret obviously is to keep piling this Kamino, because if they reach 10 billion, obviously the price of Kamino is going to skyrocket. And obviously I'm just going to stake mine and continue gathering those points for another one, hopefully much more next time. So very big plans, and I really think, and everyone obviously thinks, that this is going to be a huge project, bigger every single day. And the third thing here, yes, is this claim. I'm gonna do it right now. So that's it, very simple. Claimed and staked. You can obviously buy some and stake it as well. If you stake, obviously it's going to boost your points for the next airdrop, and that's what I'm gonna do. So base staking boost is 30% extra, and the points simply will start accumulating faster with the boost. And also, as you know, the boost is working when you go to different parts of Kamino. You'll see the boost here, maximum multiple. Obviously the ones that they want to promote will be much better, like Kamino vaults. As you can see, the star here, boost value 5 times, 2 times, so you can find something, you know, obviously that you want to deposit, but also will give you the better boost. So let's go ahead and withdraw that money that I have in the multiply and put it in the liquidity. So you're just gonna withdraw max, withdraw JLP, and once it's done, you can see it in your wallet here if you're using Phantom, and obviously you can swap it if you want to for something else like Solana. You can do it straight inside the wallet to make, obviously, take it back to Solana. Okay, so it's done. Now it's going to go to swap to Solana. So let's go back to the project here. I'm gonna deposit some liquidity in the vault that is recommended. Obviously, Jupiter as well has some airdrop running, so might be also a good idea to have some Jup just to spread out money and obviously come back and check it what's going on to stay on top of those APYs and to see if you're making money. Basically, that's what it's all about. So this one here, I'm going to do one of the Kamino because I want to buy some Kamino. I got some now staked. I'm gonna get some as well, so to have it to bet on the future of Kamino, hopefully gonna go up. I'm gonna try and go for Kamino Solana, the base one, and double check what was the APY, roughly 99, which is good. You make money from the fees of people exchanging. So let's try this one. I've got some Sol. You obviously need some Solana. You can deposit Solana or Kamino if you claim the airdrop. Maybe you can do it with Kamino if you want to, but I'm gonna do it Solana. Let's say 0.3, about $40. Yeah, and deposit and stake. So money depositors, you can click here on my position, your stake, so you can start looking at what profit can we make. Let's see how it goes. They're going to do rebalancing everything automatically. So hopefully there will be no losses here, and also you can go to portfolio and see all your positions in one place. I will keep on adding different ones, keep testing, trying. You can see the profit. So that's it, guys. Remember about Kamino, very good project. If you want to make money safely and learn how these things work, recommend getting some Solana, getting on Kamino, Phantom wallet, and making some money. So thank you guys for watching.